up? You're here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's vlog because it is officially June, which means we are welcoming birthday month. I've had the longest day, so if I look like exhausted and out of it, it's because I've had a crazy day, but I had some insane experiences. Can't talk about them yet, but hopefully I'll be able to tell you all more soon. I'm about to shower and get ready because tonight we are kick-starting my birthday month. Not only mine actually, even Satlu's birthday month, even my dad's birthday month, even Mallory's birthday month. But tonight is for Satlu, Muski, Kanchi and I, and we are basically just going to be playing games and chilling and doing things we don't usually do because every time we meet we are shooting, we're working, we're meeting at events, and we don't get a lot of downtime together. So this is going to be our downtime, and yeah, I'm just going to be documenting everything that I'm doing to prepare for birthday month. All sorts of things. Honestly, I'm also like getting my hair done and stuff after a while. I haven't done anything to it in some time now. I feel like I need a change, so that's happening. I'm gonna be taking a trip later this month, but I think that'll be a separate vlog. And then tonight, games night, and I don't know, whatever will end up happening. Basically vlogging the first week of June. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you after my shower. Bye. I'm back and I'm ready. I showered. I'm feeling so fresh. It is so hot in Bombay. Like, it is very difficult to stay out of the house, and today I was out of the house the whole day, like in the garmi, peak garmi. Anyway, let me show you my cute but very chill outfit for the night. Black tank top as usual and some printed pants. Oh my god, they're quite long actually. This is an always lychees. Thanks. The last vlog had grapes, this vlog has lychees. Instructions from the mother, have to have lychees right now. Thanks, ma. Let's see if Muskan is on time today. No surprises, Kanchi is the first person.
Of course.
Always on time.
Yeah.
And Satlu is down. We just saw her from the window and she called. So as I said before you came, I told them, let's see if Muski is on time.
I think she will be...
Yeah, guess the time she'll come at.
It's 9:07.
Yeah.
It's 9:07. 9:23.
Okay, let's see.
You also have to guess. Then
Okay. I think 9:35.
Okay. Closest person will.
Yeah, let Satlu come and then she can guess. Am I late? I will take 15 more minutes.
So maybe my time. Now she knows. She's
Now I know
so
15
you
minutes.
can't guess.
You can't guess.
But like actually 15 or like later than 15.
You guess. What will it be? So see, Kanchi said...
I said 9:23. Riya said...
Very specific.
Riya said 9:34.
9:35.
Why are you doing this?
I said 9:35. Satlu putting
9:31.
9:31. Okay, fine. Guess who won? 9:30.
But she came at 9:34 only.
She came at 9:34. Yeah. Guys, Muski's outfit is giving, and you all know why. Woo.
Here the AC comes directly.
Yeah. I hear it. Yeah. What is this? I've never played this.
What? Oh my god.
Can you only do the daredevil stuff?
No, the red one is yours anyway.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Flower!
Oh, it's easy.
One!
This is good.
1,
Oh my.
2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my
7,
god.
8, 9, 10, 11. 14.
Yeah. We're playing psychology.
Okay, great.
Kanchi is asking a question to Satlu right now.
Satlu, how many days to go for your birthday?
Oh, bhai, she has to
I
manage.
read about that. Muski, which cafe did you work from?
What did you do? No, I'm telling them.
Eh!
We can discuss. We are same team.
Satlu, Satlu, what did you
Stick it out.
Yum. What? Not like you're gonna attack someone. Yum.
wait?
Yum. Amazon has been on Amazon UK for I don't know how long now, and I just want to change it back to Amazon India, and it's not happening, and I can't use Amazon. Like, how can you stop a girl from shopping? Comment down below how to do it. Okay, Muskan is doing it. Aw, thanks. But you should listen to Muskan.
Don't take. What are you getting? What? Show the women's section.
It's like 1:30 a.m. and they just left, and honestly we had such a fun night. Like, I love my friends so much. The energy is always like so on point, and we played so many games, we spoke about so much stuff. All of us were vlogging, so it was like a full vlogception happening. But yeah, that is it for today. I will see you when I see you. Okay, bye. Hi cuties, back in the car. Don't blame me if the light doesn't cooperate, but it is currently Thursday, 6th of June. It's 1:32 p.m. and I'm going to get my hair done. I've been wanting to do my hair for really long. I think the last time I colored my hair was a year ago probably. Oh oops, okay, there is no light here. Wait, I'll vlog in a second. You all always ask me so many questions about like my hair color and haircut and hairstyle. And honestly, I understand why, because my hairstylist is genuinely the best. She used to work at a small parlor opposite my house before COVID, and during COVID that parlor shut down. Now she works from home and her home is an hour away from me. So every time I even need a haircut, I go 1 hour away. No one can cut my hair and style my hair the way she does. I also made a get ready with me this morning because I was like, I can do a hair transition at the end, you know, like old hair to new hair. That's what happened so far today. Yesterday I didn't vlog. I was feeling really like lazy and like not productive. Also my skin broke out really badly, so I wasn't feeling like cute. But I'm over that, and the birthday vlog has to go on, of course. To my hair. Very confused, but I think Monique has got it. Like, I think she's understood the assignment. I think she knows what I want. And you can say goodbye to this hair now because you're not going to see it again. No. 2 boxes of Timbits. No, unpack everything, huh? Take away.
The blonde girl.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's nice, light, fresh, cool.
I really like this length. I'm not recording you, I'm recording myself. But they can hear your input, like they can hear your voice.
Oh, yeah, but I like this length, but I much prefer the very long.
But the very long doesn't look nice and I don't style it.
I think it looks very nice, even if you don't. Naturally.
Okay, now only for like 2 months, and anyway like
Then it's shadi season.
shadi season. So then for Indian clothes, long hair looks nice. So then I'll grow out
Don't
my
put
hair.
anything long here on you.
Good morning, happy Friday. I am getting ready to head to Kanchi's house. It's currently like 11:30, 11:40, something like that. And I'm just about to do my makeup, pack my stuff and leave because we might shoot a couple of reels. My skin is not having it. I'm ready, and this is the fit, wearing this tank top, jeans and some white chops. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you. On my way to Kanchi's, and I'm editing a reel because I know I'm not going to have too much downtime today, so I just want to make use of whatever free time I have, and I want to post this today, which means I probably have to do the voiceover at Kanchi's, but I can do that. I have all my stuff with me. My stomach is still not feeling good today, and the timing of this is just terrible, I want to say, because Kanchi's mom is cooking for me today, and she's making like a whole Gujju meal because I haven't tried everything, and they always talk about like different Gujju food, and obviously I know like the basic like thepla, dhokla, khandvi type of situation, but I don't know what she's making for me today. I've requested to have the sweet dal. I don't know what it's called, but I've heard a lot about it, and I've eaten it once before and I really enjoyed it, so I wanted that. But apparently Kanchi doesn't like it. I don't care. I'm going to eat it anyway. Also loving my hair. I'm so happy with it. This is the first.
This is not Gujarati, but
Oh,
Mama Riya thought this is something Gujarati.
what is this?
Oh, how it is.
Something different. That yeah. It's like
It's not even that sweet.
tastes kind of chatpata.
Mama, it's already chatpata or you added? This is Tindora. And Riya doesn't have any idea what it is. She heard the name also for the first time.
Comment down below if you all know what tindola is.
Yeah. That's kanvi, Riya knows
This I know.
that.
I like. Chutney.
That's potato.
Yeah.
But like a Gujarati.
Aloo matar.
Yeah. And that's the sweet
That's
dal.
the sweet dal.
But Riya is really excited to eat. And I am.
Yeah, she doesn't like it. Okay.
I'm not feeling that sleepy.
Because you didn't eat as much as
Yeah, I
me.
didn't eat that.
I ate a lot and it was so good.
Did you like the sweet dal?
I love the sweet dal. That was the first and the last thing I ate. Like, no, actually, sorry, the first was kanvi. But uske baad, the first bite
Yeah.
of like proper food was
Comment
sweet
if you're a gujju and you like
dal. Yeah.
sweet dal.
Mostly no gujjus like it. All non
Yeah,
gujjus
because
like
we are used to it now. We eat it every day.
I love it. It's too good. Kanchi didn't have one bite of it. Not
Because I know I'll have it tomorrow. Only eat it if I don't like the sabji that's made. Then I have like dal and rice.
Oh.
But usme also I don't really have the plain dal and rice. Like there's this masala kind of thing.
You
that
add that.
it and then
So it's not
so
sweet.
it's not sweet.
we have eaten so much. So much.
That we are sleeping now.
So tired. We'll nap and wake up only and do whatever has to be. And a lot actually. We have to do quite a bit that we planned and we've just been
it's
sitting
so
and
the-
talking and
No, the other thing too, I'll do it. It's fine.
oh, you do it. Nap time. Bye bye.
Afternoon naps hit hard.
Yeah, but you know, every time I call Kanchi, like randomly, hello, hi. Yeah, I
Afternoon
just woke up.
They were never a thing for me before. Like I hated it. Now like I love it. Like I would never sleep in the afternoon. My whole house would be sleeping except me. Once you go into the nap thing, it's very tough to come back. And like most of the stuff that we need to do needs to be done before sunset.
Afternoon is peak productive
Yeah,
time actually
yeah.
because it's like the sunlight time.
Yeah. And then it feels lazy. Anyways, can't do a lot after like
Lunch.
evening.
But you do in the morning also.
Yeah.
You shoot. Na? I never shoot in the morning. I only shoot in the afternoon. Like post
Sometimes
lunch.
I shoot in the morning. If I'm ready and all early, then I'll shoot.
Oh, I thought you shoot a lot in the morning. Like post lunch, usually I start shooting. So for 20 minutes, I'm always procrastinating that should I take a nap
Yes,
or watch
or
TV
should
or
I
should I
shoot?
shoot? You know the corner that we shoot in, like in Kanchi's house
Wow,
and in
is it
my
nice?
house. Yeah, it's too good. Too
We need
good.
to make it shorter, na?
Yeah, lower. The corner that we shooted in Kanchi's house and in my house, like the shooting wall corner, there's no AC there. Like, see, like her AC is here, okay, and we shoot here. So there's a small mini fan and it's the exact same situation in my house also. Changed into Indian. I was not wearing it, Kanchi was always. And now we're
And
gonna...
all these people are gonna see us.
Yeah, bro, from a window, oh my god. Kanchi's earrings are looking so nice on me.
See, mine has like a pink.
Pretty.
Earrings for this year. For Navratri.
Really?
Like, these were my earrings of the year.
What an honor. Pigs. Pigs, pigs, so cute.
See this.
For someone that says she doesn't shop a lot, she has randomly opened her fridge.
Why did I open? To show what I already bought, not to buy right now. Please. Riya is making me buy right now. She said, yeah, buy this.
But what is it for? It's a
For
good
Riya's
purchase.
birthday.
Yeah.
But like, not for my needs, na?
But according to the theme, you
Yeah,
have
it's
to
supposed to prove that I shop a lot. I don't, bhai. I don't shop all. Thanks.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, na 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 na. You woke on the right side of the bed, man. Your ass, baby, got me going crazy. So fresh and
It's Mama.
you smile for me, babe. You like I see you for the first time. So fresh, fine wine.
Race competition.
You didn't have me like marijuana. Girl, I wanna see you, baby, every time. All I can do is stare, I can't even move, girl. What's the secret, girl? You got me confused. Is it the smile? Is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl? Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous. Fabulous. Fabulous.
It is the next day and I'm sitting to edit the vlog, so I thought I'd quickly come and end the vlog because last night ended up being a very long, late night. Very fun, but very late. So yeah, I just want to get this done and get the vlog up. If you watched till the end of this vlog, I love you so much. This was the best way to start June. I had such a great week and I love my hair. So yeah, if you watched till the end of this vlog, I love you so much and I will see you soon. Bye.